Hey guys, this is Killer Cat YouTube channel. Today I'm going to a gaming review of Nokia 7 Plus. Under the hood, there is an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 SoC, coupled with 4GB wide-angle primary image sensor with an f/1.75 aperture and is 1.4 micron pixels size, and the dual camera setup is accompanied by a dual-tone LED flash and Zeiss optics. And I have to say the gaming performance on this phone is actually great. So what do you think? Comment your thoughts below and subscribe to my channel for more videos.